Have you ever felt inadequate in your life? Those moments when you feel deep down inside that you'll never be good enough. We've all experienced these feelings at some point, but you should know that it's just a game our mind plays on us. The feeling of worthlessness is actually just an illusion that we think. The truth is that each one of us is unique, special, and valuable. In this video, we will get to the root of feelings of worthlessness and discover together how you can deal with these feelings and regain faith in yourself. Dealing with feelings of worthlessness is a challenging yet empowering process that often requires turning inward and rediscovering oneself. Many of us may feel worthless as a result of childhood events or negative words spoken to us by our parents or others. Constantly criticizing a child and making them feel that they are not good enough may cause them to struggle with similar feelings in adulthood. For example, someone who was constantly criticized as a child, such as, "Why does everything you do fall short?" may feel incomplete throughout his or her life. Such experiences can lead to a loss of self-confidence and a fear of failure at every step. In this way, the feeling of worthlessness settles in the subconscious and makes it difficult for the individual to achieve success, enjoy life, and establish healthy relationships. However, this feeling is not something that cannot be overcome. First of all, it is necessary to understand the source of these feelings and realize that they are not real about us. Many people deal with feelings of worthlessness only superficially. This is like putting a band-aid on a deep wound. It provides temporary relief, but does not solve the underlying problem. The real solution lies in exploring the beliefs that underlie this feeling. If you constantly say to yourself, "I am inadequate," or "Other people are more valuable than me," these thoughts become reality over time. But these thoughts are often taught or imposed on us by others. It is very important to ask ourselves the following question: do these thoughts really belong to me, or are they beliefs imposed on me by others? Another effective method is to make small but meaningful achievements. Instead of feeling under constant pressure to pursue big goals, focus on the small things you accomplish on a daily basis. For example, completing one task every day is an achievement. Such small steps build your self-confidence over time and allow you to achieve bigger goals. Recognizing and appreciating the achievements in your life alleviates feelings of worthlessness. Let's say you successfully managed an important meeting at work, saying to yourself afterward, "I successfully managed an important meeting today," resonates positively in your mind and boosts your confidence. This kind of internal dialogue can help you feel more valued. The feedback we receive from our environment also plays an important role in dealing with feelings of worthlessness. If you feel worthless, spending time with people who love and support you can alleviate these negative feelings. An environment that accepts you for who you are and appreciates your achievements can change the way you see yourself. For example, a friend saying, "I'm really proud of you. You've done such a hard job," can be a powerful response to your inner feelings of worthlessness. Therefore, it is important to stay away from people who judge or criticize you and spend more time with people who value you. Remember, dealing with feelings of worthlessness is a process. Discovering your own worth, appreciating your achievements, and being in a healthy environment will help you in this process. Believe in yourself, because you are very valuable. As a first step, you need to change your inner dialogue with yourself. Notice what you say to yourself throughout the day. If your mind is constantly spinning negative sentences, replace them with more positive and realistic ones. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "This is difficult, but I can learn in time." This will transform your mental process in a positive way. Negative thoughts undermine self-confidence and reinforce feelings of worthlessness. Instead, approaching yourself with more compassion and understanding will strengthen your inner world. Getting to know yourself and discovering your talents is an important step in overcoming feelings of worthlessness. Take time to discover what makes you happy and what your strengths are. This could be taking up hobbies or learning new things. When you develop new skills, your confidence grows and you gain a better sense of your own worth. Every time you can say to yourself, "This is my strength," you rebuild your inner strength. Small successes build self-confidence and reduce feelings of worthlessness over time. Also, setting boundaries for yourself and learning to say no is a powerful tool to combat feelings of worthlessness. Sometimes people put their own needs on the back burner in order to please others, and this deepens feelings of worthlessness. Being aware of your own worth starts with recognizing that you have rights and limits. Saying no when necessary shows that you are standing up for your values, which increases your inner strength. Finally, take time for yourself and take care of your self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental health increases your self-worth. When you neglect yourself, feelings of worthlessness can become stronger. Exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, and practicing relaxation techniques, such as meditation or yoga, can strengthen your mind and body. In this way, you will feel more self-worth and you will more easily notice positive changes in your life. Remember, everyone faces challenges and mistakes in life. Making mistakes does not mean you are worthless. On the contrary, it is part of growing and learning. Instead of seeing your mistakes as failures, learn from them. Every mistake is an opportunity for personal growth, and what you learn in the process sets the stage for future success. Being forgiving towards yourself, accepting your mistakes and learning from them is an important way to reduce feelings of worthlessness. No one is perfect, but the way we deal with our mistakes defines who we are. Second, avoid comparing yourself to others. Social media and our environment may constantly showcase the achievements and lives of others, but these comparisons feed the feeling of unworthiness. Remember that everyone's journey and struggles are different. Instead of looking at the achievements of others, focus on your own life and goals. Everyone has a different journey, and your achievements are just as valuable as anyone else's. Recognizing your unique talents and achievements will help you avoid the trap of comparison. Seeking support is also an important step in dealing with feelings of worthlessness. When you feel lonely, talking to a friend or a therapist who can share your feelings can alleviate these feelings. Support systems can help strengthen your emotional well-being and make you feel more valued. Having someone listen, understand, and support you can greatly reduce feelings of worthlessness. Sharing your feelings and getting support from others helps you realize that you are not alone in this process. Another important step is to incorporate gratitude into your daily life. Every day, try to notice the little things you are grateful for. This will help you better understand the positive aspects of your life and your achievements. Gratitude takes your focus away from negativity and makes you happier and more at peace in the moment. Finding something you are grateful for each day, however small, is a powerful way to transform feelings of worthlessness. Recognizing the beauty in your life helps you appreciate yourself and your experiences more. Finally, be patient. It may take time to change your beliefs about yourself and overcome feelings of worthlessness. It is a process, and sometimes you may take steps backwards. But remember, with each step you will feel stronger and more valuable. Being patient with yourself makes it easier to make progress. As you take small but steady steps, over time these negative feelings will be replaced by a stronger sense of self-confidence and self-belief. Be understanding and patient with yourself on your journey, because each step brings you closer to a better version of yourself. In this video, we discussed how feelings of worthlessness arise and ways to deal with it. Knowing our own worth is crucial to making our lives more meaningful and living a happier life. Remember, everyone experiences such feelings from time to time, but the important thing is to realize that these feelings do not define us. You are unique, you are valuable, and what you bring to the world is really important. Trust yourself, and remember that step by step you can deal with these negative feelings. If you liked our video, Please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more content, because each one of you is very valuable and has a unique place in this world. See you soon.